Uh, Today we start with the flow chart. A flow chart
Yes, sir.
is a graphical representation of algorithm. In algorithm, we represent our logic in a statement basis, line by line basis. We are representing it. So when you represent anything or any information in a sentence format or in a line format, so it becomes what little bit bored to your mind. ओके जेमती कि आमे धर रास्ता रे जाऊे हमको लेफ्ट टर्न कि राइट टर्न नवर अच्छे से हमको डायरेक्शन शो करिवो दैट टर्न लेफ्ट टर्न राइट तो आमे से जो आरो मार्क देखिकी आमे आगु को जाऊे तो से रास्ता रे आमे थोड़ा स्पीड रे जाऊे सेठी जदि आमे किछि इन्फॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड जिनस लिखिबा तो ताको पढ़ी कि आगु को बढ़िबाटा हमको टिके मुश्किल हो कारण हमको गाड़ीटा मूव करिवार अछि पछरे भी गाड़ी अछि ठिया होइकी तो पढ़ी हेबनी से गोटे सब सिंबल थाए तो सिंबल हेले से हमको लेफ्ट और राइट टर्न हमको नब फ्लो चार्ट इज ए ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन of any algorithm. It consists of set of symbol where each symbol represent a specific kind of activity. So it contains the what lot of symbols and every symbol is used for the particular purposes or specific purposes. A typical flowchart would involve accepting the instruction data as an input, processing the instruction and data, and display the result as an output. Okay, so flowchart contains the three parts. First, you have to accept the input data, processing the instruction data, display the result of the output. So it is also working through the IPO cycle. Computer is working through the IPO cycle. The similar way, your flow chart is also working through the IPO cycle. It accepting the instruction and data as input, processing the instruction and data, and it display the result. The processing would involve the computation and the decision that are being taken. Okay, so what are the processing you have to take? It means in every step, it will contain some kind of specific tags. That is the processing would involve ଯେମିତି कि ଆମେ ଏଠି addition କରିପାରିବା subtraction କରିପାରିବା ତ तार जो processing related जिनसे एटी रहिबो flow chart रे बुझियला सो बुझ पाइलो
Yes, sir.
so now what is the advantages of flow chart? The flow chart help in analyzing the problem effectively. Flow chart act as guide during the program development phase. Okay, so it is when you represent anything in a diagrammatical basis, so it is what it is very impacting to the other user. And when आमे जेतेबेले छोट पिला मान पढ़ा जाए आपेलटा आमे स्पेलिंग कहवा परिवर्ते जेतार आमे कौन सी फिजिकल बा फिगर थ्रो रे देखौजे सेटा बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुए नॉलेज रे. The disadvantages of the flowchart is what? A lengthy flowchart may extend over the multiple pages, which reduce the readability. Drawing the flowchart using any graphical tool is time-consuming process. Drawing ta हमको timing का अधिका नबा. The changes made in single step may cause the redrawing the entire flowchart. The flowchart आमे तो डिजाइन करबा जदि कौन सी जगह चेंज हला तो हमको मूलरू आउथरे लिखिबा पड़िबो डिजाइन टा सब जगह भूल हे किंतु नॉर्मली जेता एल्गोरिदम ने किछि भूल होउची तो आमे जस्ट गोटे कट करके ता ऊपर आमे किछि इंफॉर्मेशन आमे देई पाउचे तो सेटा होची हमरो अनदर एडवांटेजेस. Next is your pseudocode. Pseudocode, a detailed yet readable description of what an algorithm must do. ये हमको describe करिवो जे हमर algorithm टा कौन माने algorithm टा कौन करिवो एटा होची प्री फॉर्मेट ऑफ आवर प्रोग्राम माने हमें प्रोग्रामिंग लिखिवा पूर्वरु एटा गोटे होची प्री फॉर्मेट भी हमें कहि परिबा. It is expressed in formally styled natural language rather than in a programming language. and it is used as a initial step in the process of developing a program. एटा हमर इनिशियल स्टेप भावे यूज करा जाए कोनोसी प्रोग्राम लिखिबा पूर्वरु सुडो कोड बा फॉल्स कोड जोटा अछि सेटा को हमर इनिशियल फेजेस बोली निया जाए. Advantages of pseudocode is what? Pseudocode, pseudo means false, false coding ame ethi likhiba. It is easy,
Yes, sir.
it is easy and fast to write as it uses a English like statement. It needs no rewriting if any change is made in any step. कौनसी स्टेप रे जदि हमर किछि चेंजेस रहिला हमको आउथरे लिखिबा दरकार नै कारण सेंटेंस ता हम लिखुचे कट करी त ऊपर लिखि परिबा. Limitation of pseudocode: a detailed yet readable description of what an algorithm must do. Algorithm टा कौन करिवो एठी लिखा हबो. It is used an initial step in the process of developing a program. Now answer me, which one of the following tool is used to show the graphical represent of the sequence of steps required to solve a problem?
Sir, flowchart.
Flowchart, good. Now it is a question for you that write a algorithm to find out whether a number entered by a user is divisible by 5 or not. करि परियो?
Yes, sir.
चलो करिकी मते दिखाओ कैमरा रे नले.
Sir, ठीक है sir.
फर्स्ट स्टेप कौन लिखा हो?
Sir, start the algorithm.
Step 1.
So, तापरे
कौन लिखा हो फर्स्ट?
start the algorithm. तापरे second step होबो accept the first number. Third step होबो accept the number 5. तापरे तापरे लिखा होबो divide करा होबो divide the both numbers. तापरे display the result लिखा होबो.
ये
तापरे
रहला स्टेप 1. स्टेप 1 हला स्टार्ट एल्गोरिथम.
start the algorithm. Yes, sir.
then
second step होची accept the first number x.
step 2 accept
Yes sir. The first number x लिखी.
ଆମେ କହିଲେ number is divisible by 5 or not ନା
Yes
accept
sir.
a number accept a number
Number x किसी नहीं आवनी.
suppose x okay then
Step 3 लिखली accept the second number is नहीं sorry, let the second number be 5.
let नुह ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା direct divide କରିବା ଲେଖିବା divide
x with 5.
divide the number by 5 okay so first we display start the algorithm accept a number then divide the number by 5 then fourth one कौन लिखा है वो कौन लिखा होगा
यहाँ पे सर display the result.
is the
Display the result.
नहीं तापर लिखा हुआ is condition check हुआ is the number divisible by 5 ଯଦି ମୋ number ଟା divisible by 5 ଅଛି step 5 ରେ ଦେଖେଇବ display the number is divisible by 5 step 6 ରହିବ display the number is not divisible by 5 अब लास्ट में कौन लिखा हुआ
And पूरा रास्ता end the algorithm.
तापर लिखा हुआ end step 7 end the
Algorithm.
algorithm बुझियला ए हेला हमर टोटल start the algorithm
Yes.
बुझियला तापर रहला
Yes sir.
accept a number
Accept and x.
accept the number x divide the number by 5 then is the number is divisible 5 then display the number is divisible by 5 then step 6 ଆସିବ display the number is not divisible by 5 then next ହେଲା end the algorithm ବୁଝିଗଲା ये ହେଲା ଆମର total
Yes
step
sir.
ବୁଝିଗଲା
Yes sir.
write the algorithm to display the first 10 multiples of 9. Okay, so we have to show the multiplication table of 9. 9 into 1 is 9, 9 into 2, then 9 into 3, 9 into 4, 9 into 5, 9 into 6, 9 into 7. So in this way, it is display the table structure, 9 table structure. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then next is write an algorithm to find out whether a number entered by a user is even or odd. So start the algorithm, then accept a number, divide the number by 2, then the remainder is 0. It's just like you're checking which number is divisible by 5 or not. If the remainder is 0, then number is even. If the remainder is not 0, then number is odd. Then end of your algorithm. Then computer perform the various tasks by following the step-by-step process. To perform these tasks, the instruction needs to be provided to a computer in the form of a program. For a NAPE programmer, writing such program in any programming language is very complex task. Therefore, it is better to break the entire problem into a set of state and represent the same using diagram. The flowchart can be used to represent the programming logic in graphical form. If you want to represent your programming logic in the graphical form, we are using the flowchart. The flowchart are used to represent the programming logic in a graphical form. So here, lot of symbols were using. Okay, in the flowchart. One is it is called as the input symbol. It is used to take the input from a user. It is called as the process. It is used to specify any operation or calculation. It is called as the output. It is used to display the output of a user. It is called as the decision. It is used to specify a condition. Okay, it is a decision box. It is called as the subroutine. Subroutine means जदि मो पाखे गोटे कम्प्लेक्स टैक्स अच्छी से कम्प्लेक्स टैक्स टाको सिंपलर बा छोट छोट मॉड्यूल कन्वर्ट करने मो प्रोसीजर किंबा सबरूटीन मो यूज करी. सो दैट मीन्स व्हाट गोटे कम्प्लेक्स मॉड्यूल टाको से छोट छोट पार्ट रे से डिवाइड करिवो बाय यूजिंग ऑफ सबरूटीन. तापर अछि मोर फ्लो लाइन. इट इज यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट द स्टेप of a flow chart to indicate the sequence in which the steps to be performed. Okay, so ये जो सब symbol सब मैं यूज कली से सब symbol को मो connected करिया पाई मो flow line सब यूज करिवे. So by using of this flow line, I am connecting the symbols, one symbol to the another symbol. तो एटा हला को आजिबो इनिशिएटर एंड टर्मिनेटर. फ्लो चार्ट जेतेबेले आमे स्टार्ट करिबा आमे एटा इनिशिएटर आउ टर्मिनेटर यूज करिबा. तापर रहिबो ऑन पेज कनेक्टर. इट इज यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट वन स्टेप इन ए फ्लो चार्ट टू अनदर स्टेप. गोटे स्टेप को आ गोटे स्टेप सहित कनेक्टेड करिया पई हमें ऑन पेज कनेक्टर यूज करिबा. तापर हमें यूज करिबा ऑफ पेज कनेक्टर. इट इज यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट one step in a flow chart to other step in a different page. On page connector माने जदि मु same page रे connected करिवि सेटा on page connector. जदि मु different page रे same flow chart को connected करिवि सेटा off page connector use करा जिवो. ये जे on page
ସେଟା ଟିକେ ବୁଝି ପାଇଲିନି ସାର୍.
हाँ एटा देखो जेमती कि आमे गोटे देखो जी एठी देखिबो एटा हला पेज 1 ने मो फ्लो चार्ट टा बनेले किंतु मोर एई सेम पेज रे माने एमती जेतला बनौची एठी मोर सरी गला मु आउ सेम फ्लो चार्ट टा को सेम पेज रे अगेन कंटिन्यू करबा को चाहूची तो एठी मु यूज कली कोन आउ गोटे कॉलम यूज कली तो एटा को कुहा गला ए जो कनेक्टर टा को कुहा जीवो ऑन पेज कनेक्टर बुझियला आउ जदी
यस सर
आउ जदी पेज 1 ने मु करूची पेज 1 ने फ्लो चार्ट टा सरी गला मु जदी सेम फ्लो चार्ट टा को पेज 2 रे कंटिन्यूएशन करबा को चाहूची तो एटा मु यूज कली ऑफ पेज कनेक्टर एटा मोला ऑफ पेज कनेक्टर रहला एटा आसी के एठी पुनी कनेक्टेड रहला बुझी होची
यस सर यस सर
then next is annotation it is used to describe the what how means why you are writing the flowchart ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କୌଣସି ନୋଟ୍ସ ଲେଖିଲେ ଫିଜିକ୍ସ ହଉ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ହଉ କିମ୍ବା ତୁମର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପାର୍ଟଟା ହଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ନୋଟ୍ସ ଲେଖୁଛ ତୁମେ ଗୋଟେ ହେଡିଙ୍ଗ ଦଉଛ ତା ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ହେଡିଙ୍ଗ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଏଠି ୟୁଜ କରିବା ଆନୋଟେସନ ତ ଆନୋଟେସନ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ୟୁଜ ଟୁ ଇନସର୍ଟ ଏ କମେଣ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଏ ଫ୍ଲୋ ଚାର୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ଲୋ ଚାର୍ଟରେ ଯଦି ମୁଁ କିଛି କମେଣ୍ଟ ଦବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଆନୋଟେସନ ୟୁଜ କରିବି ବୁଝିହେଲା ବୁଝିପାରିଲ
यस सर
ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇକ୍ ଏ ଡେସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ ମିନ୍ସ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ରାଇଟ୍ ମାନେ ମୋ ଯୋଉ ଡେସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ ଟା ଲେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଯୋଉଟା ହେଡିଙ୍ଗ ରହିଲା ଯେମିତି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପେଜ ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ହେଡିଙ୍ଗ ରହିଲା ଡ୍ରଇଂ ଫ୍ଲୋ ଚାର୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ରହିଲା ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ହେଡିଙ୍ଗ ରହିଲା ତ ଏଇ ହେଡିଙ୍ଗ ଟା ମୁଁ
यस सर
କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଏସନ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ତ ଏଇଟା ମୋର କୁହାଯିବ ଆନୋଟେସନ ବୁଝିଗଲା
यस सर
so now check here to know how you have to increment the number by 1 by using flowchart flowchart through रे हमें गोटे नंबर को केमती इंक्रीमेंट करबा एटी देखियो तो start accept a number add 1 to the number so we are adding a number then display the number then end of your flowchart okay so first it is a starting and ending position of your flowchart then here we accept a number then we add the 1 to that particular number, then it will display the number, then end of our flowchart. Clear?
ଏମିତି ସାର୍ ମାନେ ଫ୍ଲୋ ଚାର୍ଟ କଲା ମାନେ ଏମିତି ଏଇ ସିମ୍ବଲ ଗୁଡା ବି ଦେଇକି ବକ୍ସ ଭିତରେ ୟୁଜ କରି ଲେଖିବାକୁ
ବକ୍ସ
ପଡିବ।
ଭିତରେ ଆମକୁ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ତ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟା ହେଲା
Yes,
ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ, ଏଟା ହେଲା ଏଣ୍ଡିଂ ରହିଲା। ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଆମର ଇନପୁଟ ବକ୍ସ ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ ଆଗରେ ପଢିଲେ, ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଆମର
yes, sir.
ପ୍ରୋସେସିଂ ବକ୍ସ ଯାହା ବି ପ୍ରୋସେସିଂ କଲେ। ଏଠି ମତେ ଡିସପ୍ଲେ
Yes,
କଲି ଇନଫରମେସନ ଟାକୁ, ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଏଣ୍ଡ କଲି। ବୁଝିଗଲା?
yes, sir.
Now give me the answer. Which one of the following symbol is used to insert a comment in a flowchart?
जो annotation.
Yes, it is used for annotation. Good. Which one of the following symbol is used to connect one step in a flowchart to other step on a different page?
Okay. Then the following is to connect one.
Different page.
Sir, on page connector.
On page हेले same page हो, off page हेले different page हो. बुझिला?
Yes, sir.
এটা হবে off page connect. Then the rules for drawing a flowchart are: the entire logic of the flowchart should be represented using a standard symbol. The flowchart logic will be represented using standard symbol. The flowchart should be clear, precise, and easy to follow. Flowchart should have only one start point and only one end point. Every flowchart should contain only one start point and end point. The steps in the flowchart represented by the flowchart symbol should follow from top to bottom or left to right. Okay. And all necessary inputs should be listed in a logical order. And the input, process, output, and display symbol should have at least two flow lines, one connecting to the previous symbol, other connecting to the next symbol. Okay, so the entire logic flowchart should be represented using a standard symbol. The standard symbol we're using. The flowchart should be clear, precise, and easy to follow. So it should be represented in the clear basis and easy, and it contain only one start point and only one on end point. It follow from top to bottom. ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛେ ଆମେ ଉପରୁ ତଳ ପଢୁଛେ ଆଉ left ରୁ right ପଢୁଛେ, ତ ସେଟା top
Yes,
to
sir.
bottom ଆଉ left to right ରହିବ. And all necessary
Yes, sir.
input should be listed in a logical order. ମାନେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆମେ input ନବା, ତାପରେ ଆମେ processing ନବା, ତାପରେ output generate କରିବା. The input, process, output, and display symbol should have at least two flow line, one connecting to the previous, another connecting next line. ମାନେ ସବୁ ଯାକ symbol ରେ ଦିଟା flow line ରହିବ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମେ ଦେଖିପାରିବା. ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍. ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ define କଲି process box। ଦେଖ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ এটা হলো আমার process box। ସେଠି ରହିଲା ଦିଟା ଯୋଉ flow line ରହିଲା, ଏଇଟା ରହିଲା ଗୋଟେ କଣ ହେଇଛି, ଗୋଟେ ଉପର ଗୋଟେ connected ହେଇଛି, one connecting previous, another connecting next। ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ମୋର previous part, ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ମୋର previous part, ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ମୋର next part। ବୁଝିଗଲା? କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ decision box ଅଛି, ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମେ ନବା decision box। ଆ ଦେହରେ ଆମର ତିନିଟା flow line ରହିବ, ଗୋଟେ ଏପଟୁ ରହିବ, ଗୋଟେ next କୁ ରହିବ, এটা connect ହେଲା। ଏଠି ଆମେ ଦେଇପାରିବା ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି yes ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା no। So only decision box contain the three flow line, three flow line and two flow line is out from it। এটা ଗୋଟେ out ହେଲା, ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ out ହେଲା, ତ ଆର ଦିଟା out line ରହିବ। এটা হচ্ছে decision box। ବୁଝିଗଲା? ତ decision box ର କଣ ରହିଲା, ଦିଟା ପାର୍ଟ ରହିଲା, ଦିଟା out ଆସିଲା, ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ out ଆସିଲା, ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ out ଆସିଲା, ଏଇଟା ତାର in part ରହିଲା, ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା କି previous କୁ connect କରିବ। ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? ଆଉ ଅଲଗା ଯେତେ ସବୁ symbol ରହିବ, ଏହାର ଦିଟା ରହିବ, previous ରହିବ, next ରହିବ, ଆଉ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଆମେ process box କହିପାରିବା।
sir.
input box ରେ ବି ସେମିତି ରହିବ। ବୁଝି ହଉଛି?
Yes sir।
ଓକେ। The decision box should have the two flow line out of it and at least one flow line following onto it. The flowchart should use the page connector if they extend over the multiple pages. The logic of the flowchart should be checked by testing the flowchart using some sample value. So you have to check some sample value to check whether your flowchart is correctly working or not. Now give me the answer. Which one of the following approaches can be followed while creating the steps in the flowchart?
ଗୋଟେ ତ ହଉଛି ଟପ୍ ଟୁ ବଟନ୍, ହଁ ଟପ୍ ଟୁ ବଟନ୍ ହିଁ ହବ, ଆଉ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ଟୁ ରାଇଟ୍ ତାନେ।
Left to right ନାହିଁ, ତେଣୁ ଖାଲି top to bottom ତମର ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆନ୍ସର ଏଠି ବାହାରିବ। ବୁଝିହେଲା?
Yes sir। Yes sir।
ତ ଏଇଟା ତମେ କରିକି ମତେ ଦେଖେଇବ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସରେ। ତ draw a flowchart that accept the principal, rate and time value and display the simple interest। ହେଲା? ଆମର flowchart ବନେଇବ, ତାର principal, rate, time value show କରିବ, ଆଉ display the simple interest ଟା show କରିବ। ବୁଝିହେଲା?
ଟିକେ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଟା ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି, ତାପରେ ଆପଣ
ଦେଖିବି।
କାଟିବେ ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ। Yes sir ହେଇଗଲା।
Then the next question, draw a flowchart that accept a number and display its cube।
Good answer. You can draw a flow chart. That is, yes, sir.
Accept a number and display its Q.
Yes, sir. I will.
The next is draw a flow chart that accept a length, breadth of a rectangle and display the area and perimeter. Okay.
Answer. Draw a flow chart that accepts the length and breadth of the rectangle
And display
and
area and perimeter.
this area and perimeter. Ditanka.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट एटा हमें नेक्स्ट क्लास रे पढ़िबा